Hello friends, good morning. Today we shall discuss about the block diagram of the microcomputer. We know that microcomputer consists of various basic units. They are input device, output device, memory, and microprocessor. Now, in this case, memory have two parts. One is semiconductor memory, and second is magnetic memory. All these units are connected to each other by using various buses. They are data bus, address bus, and control bus. Now we shall discuss function of each block one by one. First, we shall discuss about the input device. Now we know by using input device we can supply data and information to the computer. We can store data or information in memory through CPU. Various input devices are keyboard, mouse, and joystick. Then second unit is output device. Now we know by using output device we can see the result of the operation. So after processing data or after doing some operation, the microcomputer display result on the output device. Various popular output devices are monitor, that is CRT display, or LED or LCD display, and then a printer, and a recorder. So these are various output devices. Third basic unit is memory. Now memory, we know memory is a device which store data and information. There are two types of memory. Number one is semiconductor memory, and number two is magnetic memory. Semiconductor memory is small in size, light in weight, consume less power. It is faster, means we can access data at high speed, but the storage capacity of this memory is small. Some of the examples of the semiconductor memory are RAM. RAM means random access memory. ROM means read-only memory. By using random access memory, we can read data at any time. We can store data at any time. But by using read-only memory, we can read data only. We can't write data in the memory. There are various types of RAM. They are suppose static and dynamic. Static RAM means static RAM in which data is once data is written or stored, it remain as it is as long as power supply is on. On the other hand, dynamic RAM means even though we store data and even though power supply is on, the data will vanish after some time or destroy after some time. And to avoid this, we have to refresh the data periodically. Static RAMs are constructed by using static devices, that is flip-flops. On the other hand, or transistors, BJT. On the other hand, dynamic RAMs are constructed by using the MOSFETs, that is N channel or P channel MOSFET. Then we have magnetic memory. As the name suggests, this memory is constructed by using magnetic materials, that is iron oxide. The storage capacity of memory is large. It consumes less power, but it requires more space. So here it can be used as secondary memory of the microcomputer. Some of the main examples of the that is magnetic memory are floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD, etc. The main advantage of the magnetic memory is store bulk of data or huge amount of data, but it requires less power. So these are the various memories of the microcomputer. The last basic unit of microcomputer is microprocessor. We know microprocessor is nothing but a brain of the microcomputer. It is also called as CPU. CPU means central processing unit. It consists of ALU and CU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit and CU means control unit. Now, as the name suggests, arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, increment, decrement on 8-bit data, while logic unit performs logic operations such as AND, OR, XOR, NOT, etc. on 8-bit data. Control unit is a very important device or unit of the CPU. It controls overall operations by sending timing and control signals or by receiving control signals from various peripherals. So the control unit controls the overall operation or working of this microcomputer. So these are various units of the microcomputer, and we know all these units are connected to each other by using the buses, various buses. In microcomputer, there are three types of buses. Number one is address bus. Number two is data bus, and number three is control bus. By using address bus, CPU or a microprocessor send the address to various peripherals. Now, peripherals means which are in the periphery of the CPU. That is, it may be input device, it may be output device, it may be memory. So, by using address bus, CPU send address to peripherals. Since address flow in only one direction, the address bus is unidirectional. Now, in this case, address is binary. We write this address in hexadecimal form to minimize the space or to save the space. But actually, the address is sent in binary form. Second bus is data bus. By using data bus, CPU send data to output device or memory, receive data from input device or memory. Since data flow in both direction through data bus, the data bus is bidirectional. Third bus is control bus. As the name suggests, control bus is used to send the control signals. So CPU send the control signal to various peripherals. It also receives the control signals from various peripherals. Since control signals flows in both directions, the control bus is also bidirectional. So it is all about the block diagram of microcomputer and function of each block. I hope you understand this topic. If you have any question, you can write them in the comment box. So please like, share my video. Thank you.